grand unboxing. What
Nice.
should we open first?
Let's open this first. Let's open up.
This?
Yep, open it up.
All right. It's beautiful, majestic, bright, shiny, new.
There's a lot more knobs on this one.
I want to see how heavy this thing is. What do I hang on to over here? Anything? Just right there?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
It's a little heavy, but not too bad. Well, now that we got it on here, should we wheel it out of the way and unbox the next thing? Oh,
This is
right.
the Crypti Tops. I don't know how to pronounce the company's name. Crypt Tops. Tops so good you will die. Or they're
Wait,
stealing
why will
them
we die?
from the crypt of someone.
It's just because it's so cryptic.
Yes, it is cryptic. There's no instructions.
Yep.
Keep looking for instructions.
Fasteners.
Another box of bolts. I would never have guessed that this thing would have this many bolts. That's not our cat, by the way. It just hangs out here. Still no instructions. I wouldn't have even thought I needed instructions, but then as the pile of parts just keeps getting longer. Okay, seriously, I feel like they just put some of these in here by accident. These parts can't all be related to this.
Well, let's lay out the big pieces in kind of the shape they're supposed to go, and then I think the little pieces will make more sense.
Those look like they don't fit. Okay, well, we'll bolt it together and try and stretch it, I guess. Okay, so they do have instructions online. We looked at them, and we are doing it right. See, the cat's even like, you can do this.
He likes it, yeah.
This is the friendliest cat.
Oh, he's so cute.
Okay. Look at how helpful he is.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's sad. You're making him sad, Savannah.
What? How am I making him sad?
By not believing we can do this.
I believe we can do it.
You just think we need Marvin's help.
No.
It's an easy trap to fall
we
into.
can bend it, needing Marvin's help.
Yeah, dude. So like the other night when we were there talking about the car, it was like, how did I ever do anything on a car without Marvin holding my hand the whole time? It's just easy to feel like you need his help for everything. Because he's
We
so
love
smart.
you, Marvin.
Oh, dude, you got it. You've got it.
Do I really?
Yeah, you totally got it.
Oh.
Okay. You are incredible. Give me an 1/8 of an inch more, please. Oh, 16th less? 1/8 inch more? 1/8 more. Yep, not going in. Just not quite getting it far enough. I need a little more. Great job.
Thanks.
This is where we find out we did do something wrong. No, we read the instructions, guys. We read the instructions. Do you want me to stretch this one?
No. I got it. The first one was just a warm-up.
Okay. Dude, this cat just likes people. Or it's starving hungry and it wants to eat us. You thought I was gonna spill my drink. That's right, I keep showing my butt to the camera. We've been watching other sailing YouTubes. We know how it's done now.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready. More? Keep going, keep holding. We need to have Cassie Ho out here. 10, 9, 8. Woo! Oh, feel that burn in your muscles. Yes. All right. I hope someone that gets this that feels hopeless about how the pieces don't fit together sees this and realizes that they can do it.
I hope so too.
Man, I don't know if we can do this. I'm just kidding. All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Oh, we got 10 inches.
So wait, you're telling me we still have 25 inches?
At least
We have
20.
to close?
I
Oh.
mean,
Okay, so all that you missed is we decided to unbolt the top to slide them in and then bolt them back together.
so now they slide
They
in
slide
real
easy. Okay, you'll have to push until those line up, I think. Should we flip it first?
I don't think so. And then we'll flip the feet towards you.
Oh, the boat's moving away. Ah, no. Oh, I'm not strong enough.
those inner
The
thigh
thigh
muscles.
muscles. I'm doing it. Okay. Let's go quick.
We got this. All right, so here it is set up. It looks pretty good, huh? The issue that we had is that these pieces slide into the top, and that's how you get the adjustable width. We mocked it up and set it on the deck where we want it, and then tried to slide this in a little bit because we needed it a little bit narrower. And 3 of them slid well, and 1 of them got super stuck. So we spent a long time trying to unstick it and didn't really get anywhere, but we got it to a place where it's not quite as narrow as it could be, but it's only an inch or 2 wider than that. So it fits now, mostly, on the deck, but now we're looking at these feet here. There's actually foot pieces that you can kind of change the angle with, and one of the pieces bolts to the deck and the other to the arch, but it adds like 4 inches of height, those feet do. And once you get it 4 inches taller, then the back of this is hitting the rear stay or the back stay. So trying to figure out what we want to do with that, if we can, you know, take this over to friends and cut it a little bit shorter and then use the same feet. In the meantime, get some other work done. Sweet! I got all of our letters and our registration stickers on. I think they look pretty good. I actually like that in contrast with our whole color quite a bit. One more thing done. One step closer to driving this boat out to the bay. Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Tricky part is just that once I have it,
Getting
I'm like
onto the boat.
balancing on a boat. First crank ever. Whoa, is that a big log out there?
Ooh, it looks like it. Log.
Cool.
Oh man, it feels so good. I'm so glad we got a new engine.
Finesse. I bet some cool people own that boat.
Look at this guy. He's ready to kick his feet up in the Bahamas. Probably have a drink in that hand.
Past ready. Yeah, this hand is for the drink.
The other
I'm training.
wrist.
I'm practicing.
It is glorious. What a glorious reward at the end of a hard day.
It was a hard day, dude. I just keep repeating Tom's words to myself. The most rewarding things in life come with a ton of front-loaded effort. I hope he was right. I mean, I think he's right.
I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this?
Pieces of debris in the carb and everything, and then went and put it back. See, I'm not actually trying to like get anything done today.
I was gonna say, I mean, just looking at it's not very exciting.
That's right. We took trash out of the ocean. That's our thing. What are all these discs for? Too many discs on the dance floor, Savannah. Spread out the discs. Watching you get work done always makes me feel better. Ow. Kicking stuff in Converse is a terrible idea. I'm going to read all of the documentation. You won't catch me not reading the instructions. Except those definitely go together, whatever they do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Oh, my legs! It's been very nice working with you, Savannah, but I'm going to float away now. Yeah, you're gonna have a hard time getting that Allen key into that bolt.
Dude.
I told you, it's hard.
That's probably enough of that.